Hello everybody, quick video today. We've got this AC. It is from the company called Carrier, and we're trying to figure out what year was this AC made in. And if you look at any sort of labels on this unit, there's nothing that says what year it is. Now, the typical way you can figure that out is by looking at the serial numbers, and especially the first 4 digits. Let me show you. Before you do any work on your AC, make sure you disconnect it from the power. There's typically a box like this, and inside you've got these connectors between the wires that you just pull out. So if I open it and show you what's inside, we got the wire connections, and over here is where the blades go, and they connect everything. So just pull this piece out, and if you have a different system, well, just make sure you disconnect it from the power. So we've taken the lid off. That was just screwed in with a few screws. This is our little propeller here. Down here we've got a compressor. Now if you look at the compressor, and it has a serial number, and if you look at the serial number, which is right over here, we've got 99, and then it says C. 99, the first 2 numbers is the year, so this is 1999 is the year, and the letter C means it was produced in the 3rd month, because the letters go A, B, C. So C stands for 3rd month of the year, which means March. So this was produced in March of 1999. Now here on this side, we've got another label with the serial number on the actual Carrier unit, and here the serial number says 1599E08392. So the first 2 numbers would be the week, so 15th week, and then the next 2 numbers is the year, so again 1999. So this was produced the week number 15 in the year, so that's, April. So April of 1999. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.